Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I welcome you again in this practice session, and today I'm going to basically speak on the cue card, which is the most effective way if somebody is want to basically particularly focus on speaking. So it is a very great way of speaking. And so today with the topic which I've chosen for in this video, it is about describing something that was broken and then you repaired. So it kind of anything. So this is the topic. If you want to basically speak on the cue card as well, so you can find out multiple cue card from the online platforms such as Google, where you can find out some cue card and just try to basically speak on it, and just use basically vocabulary which can help you to speak on that particular topic. So it is very easy. So I hope you watch this video till the end, and I'm going to speak it. So as a beginner, I was started speaking on cue cards past couple of years back. So I was not yet perfect, but I'm just doing that. So let's jump into this video. So it was like 5 to 6 months back when I was using my refrigerator, and at that moment there is because of the electricity, I don't know basically it is working or not. I just try basically to see that there is ice is there, and basically refrigerator is working properly, because light is not working and I have turned off and turn on the switches, but still there is some sort of light missing, and because of that I'm not able to find it is working or not. Then I realized that once I just raise the temperature of the refrigerator, then I know that it is cooling, but because of light I'm not able to find it. So I call to the customer care of that particular refrigerator, and then they raise a complaint on the behalf of me. And so it was a quite good services by them. So I've called it in the morning, and in the evening basically they came, and that is on the warranty as well. So because of that, they basically repair it in a free of cost time. So it was a very great experience. And after that I feel very happy, because there is no one can basically understand, and because of that there is lot of things can happen, such as if somebody's see that there is no electricity is there, so then he can easily mm, basically get confused, right? So because of that I just take an initiative to repair it, and it was basically wonderful that happened. So on the cue card basically that is it, and I hope you find it this video helpful. And there are multiple videos I uploaded in YouTube platform, so you can watch my particular video on different kind of topics, such as day-to-day basis I have also uploaded, and there are interviews videos which I uploaded. But still I'm not dedicated too much towards these things, such as interview and other things, but I'm consistently focusing on like more doing the practice, because that is what most important, what most of the peoples are fearful for. So that is what I basically doing it. So once you make your mind that you are good enough to do all the things, so then you can start whatever you want. So on this video I hope you find it helpful. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye bye, have a good day.